This is the elevator here at the Barton Creek Square Mall. Ah, wow, look at that. Yeah, they do that for social distancing purposes. I wonder how much this elevator is gonna be. But yeah, it has since been modernized by Schindler. Third-party mod, specifically. Maybe we can watch it come up. Oh, okay then. Yeah. I don't know. Oh, wow, look at this. All right, let's go down to 1. Let's see how this elevator runs. I was scared to ride this because of Gucci Power Grizzly Bear Dope AF's video. All right, here we are at level 1. Okay. All right, let's go to... Yeah, this thing has a weird voice. All right. Yeah, all right, going up to 2. I'm gonna look out the window again. Business is the same as usual, except everyone's wearing masks, including me. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna take one more ride on this. We'll watch the numbers going down. All right, here we are at 1. It takes a while to level off here. Holy crap, that is what? All right, let's go up to 2. All right, now let's get our cab. Yeah, this elevator has a pretty, it used to have a lot more prettier cab, but it has since been replaced with this stainless steel junk, mostly because this whole mall was renovated last year. All right, here we are at level 2. Okay. All right, and there it goes, and that's it.